This is a disclaimer. We don't have a filter. We say what's on our mind.
I don't do no cussing, for real.
He has a potty mouth.
Never thought a love like this could ever be. Then you came, rearranged what I believed. Love hot like burning buildings, I can't take the heat. I need water, please. Someone help me. I never asked for this, so why you come and change the game? Lit me with your burning flames. Can't even feel it in my veins. I can't take it, no. You got me losing all control. You got that wildfire, wildfire, wildfire. Burning up. You set my soul on fire, baby. I sense a crime, yeah, it's a crime, no, it's a crime. Can't take the heat. Somebody call the state police, 'cause I sense a crime, yeah, it's a crime, no, it's a crime. Burning up, fire, baby.
Hey everybody, so my name is Shanice
I'm Kevin.
and we are Oddly Even.
Oddly Even.
That's our channel name.
Just made it up today. Moving on.
Alright, so a little bit about our channel and about us. Our channel, this is our first video ever on YouTube. I am 25, going on 26.
27 going on 28 this year in June. I didn't realize we was doing a full bio of ages.
Whatever.
My blood type is whatever y'all want.
We have a daughter. She's 3 years old. Her name is Yuri.
Ray.
She's not with us at the moment because she's visiting grandparents in another state right now for the summer, unfortunately. Yeah. So you guys won't be seeing her yet, but we're excited for you guys to meet her when she does come down.
We got another family member. That's my big dog Q.
Yeah, he's a Yorkie. He's 5 pounds. He's not that big.
My man's like the size of this shoe. Probably smaller than that. But anyway,
so let's get down to the nitty gritty. So our channel is
not a van life channel.
It's not a van life channel. Just want to put that out there. We are van life in it. We live in our van. Currently. Video
being shot in the van right now.
We'll do a tour for you guys in another video as well. And I'll put the link below.
Y'all will see that.
When we drop
or
that.
Up top somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
However that works.
Our family is very, very odd. Still living a normal life that
everybody lives.
Yeah, that everybody lives. Like, for instance, we're both working normal jobs. We both have a kid, a family, a dog.
Exactly.
But yet, we still, live in our van. We also like to travel.
Yep. We just came back from Jamaica, so y'all will see videos on that.
Yeah, so we just wanted to kind of share our lives with everybody.
Oh, hold up. This girl right here is big in the UK, but this is Mini Manchester. She's huge, man. Like, Rock Your World, Arson with Kadeem.
Yo, that's a whole other story for
anyways.
a whole other day. So yeah, we like to travel. We like to do it all. We're spontaneous. We're fun.
We like to
joke. We got don't subscribe to this channel if you don't have a sense of humor, because that's how we are.
Hey, we killing it.
Shout out to our black people out there, van life in it. Like,
we see y'all.
Oh, like novel culture. That's the only one I know about. Sorry. So. If I
anybody else we miss, big love to y'all, mwah, mwah, but we don't really know about y'all like that, but we will get to know about you.
We're an interesting family, to say the least. We're not perfect. We argue. We have, we're a normal family. We just have a uniqueness to us in a way, and that's why we really went with that channel name of Oddly Even, because I feel like our life is very, very interesting. The first day that he asked me to be his girlfriend, he farted on the porch, and that's when I knew I was in love. So, for real though.
So from the jump, y'all, I was a nasty motherfucker from the jump, just shitting as I please, and she's just like, you know what? Yeah, I'm into that. She nasty. That means she a freak. She like, ooh, he farted? Yeah, I'm down for that. What it smell like?
So yeah,
damn.
So that happened.
It's been love ever since, and look forward to that van tour later. Like I said, this is where we're at. This is our primary home. No, we're not poor. We do this out of choice, not because we're forced to. And I can't wait till you guys meet the rest of our family. I can't wait till, you know, you guys are now a part of the Ennis family. Like, everybody behind this screen looking at us, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the Oddly Even family.
Welcome to it. And we can't wait just so you guys can see what's in store.